Hey guys, I think I just found my favorite way to make steak fries, and these are baked so they're a little healthier for you and filled with so much good flavor. Let's make them together. First things first, I cleaned my russet potatoes really well. I scrubbed them real well. I'm gonna keep the skin on, put them in hot boiling water, add a little bit of salt, and cook them for only 10 minutes. I just want to cook them half the way through. After 10 minutes, I remove. And while they're still hot, I'm gonna slice them into big slices. And you can see the middle is still underdone. See how the skin is softening a little bit? That's what I'm trying to achieve. After baking, the skin is gonna absorb all the flavors and get crispier, and it's gonna be so good. The potatoes are still very warm, and now I'm gonna add the salt, the rosemary. Please don't skip the rosemary, it's gonna give so much good flavor. Add some garlic, a little bit of white pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add some butter, about a quarter cup of butter, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna mix. I arranged in a single layer, and I lined my pan with parchment paper. I'm gonna bake at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'm gonna flip on the other side. I want all sides to be crispy, and it's not gonna take too much time in the oven, only half an hour. Keep an eye on the potatoes. They're halfway cooked, so they're not gonna take too much time in the oven. Look how amazing this potato turned out. These russet potatoes are gonna be great with steaks or as a side dish for anything you want to do, and they taste so good. The skins are so crispy. You're gonna see how this is gonna be your new favorite. I hope you give them a try soon. And if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And until next time, bon appétit!